Founded in 2020, Clean World Brush Co. Limited is located in Yuantan Town, Anqing City, Anhui Province, nationally recognized as the capital of brushes in China. Deeply rooted in Yuantan's half-century history of brush manufacturing, we've grown into a modern high-tech factory integrating R&D, production, sales, and global export services. Today, our products are shipped all over the world. From injection, molding, and tufting, to assembly and final packaging, our facility is equipped with advanced manufacturing machinery and high-efficiency production lines, ensuring top-tier capacity and consistent quality. As the demand for solar panel maintenance continues to rise, our dedicated solar cleaning brushes are engineered for maximum efficiency and safety. Built with high-density bristles that clean, powerful without scratching panel surfaces, they feature an extended lifespan and full customization across all sizes and specs. They're the top choice for large-scale solar farms, cleaning providers, and global distributors. We also offer a complete suite of brushing solutions, including industrial brushes, sanitation street sweepers, auto detailing brushes, and custom-shaped designs covering consumer, industrial, and municipal cleaning needs. Quality is at our core. From bristle durability tests to tufting firmness checks, every product passes 3 strict inspection rounds before shipping. We handle packaging, palletizing, and container loading with direct delivery to overseas warehouses. We proudly serve clients in over 50 countries, with an annual output value exceeding 100 million RMB. Your standards are our standards. For your next order, trust a true industry expert at the source. Whether it's bulk, wholesale, or deep customization, our decades of experience are ready to work for you. Let's build something great together.